So today I'm going to have a little look about how we can use a website called Padlet in the classroom. So I'm just going to search for Padlet here. And although it's called Padlet, that doesn't relate it to iPads or anything, it's just the name. Okay, now I'm going to click on the link there, padlet.com, and that's going to take me straight through to my dashboard. Now you'd need to sign up here with your Google ID or whatever, give yourself a username, and you'll see a dashboard like this. But the next thing I'm going to do is go over and create a new Padlet by clicking on the plus up in the corner there. That is going to enable me to create a new Padlet wall. So I click on that, new Padlet comes up, I click on new Padlet and it's building my wall for me, and that's what I get, a blank screen. Not very exciting, so I need to make some modifications on the modify wall section there. First thing I'm going to do is give my wall a title, and today I think we'll do it about X-rays. So I'm just going to tell the kids we're going to use the image I'm going to put on the wall to discuss X-rays. So I've given my wall some detail, and you'll be able to see just up in the corner there that is now appearing. Now I want my wall to be easy to find, so I'm going to actually give it a custom name by clicking on the address link bit there. I'm going to call it Try Out X-rays, and I can see that's available. So now that is the address for my wall. We can see it up there. Padlet.com, Rich Pep will try out X-rays. So now I am ready to go with my Padlet, and all I need to do is just double tap anywhere on my Padlet and this little box will appear. Anywhere I tap, just double tap, and I'm just going to say double tap to add whatever you want. So what I can add to this are a number of things. I can just add some text or some information or an answer to a question, but this time I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to click on the little upload arrow that we've got here. That's going to give me the opportunity, if I'm using this on a desktop, to drag a file in or to go to my file browser and find it. But on my iPad I can just select straight from my photo roll and upload a picture of this gentleman's X-ray, and I can then move that about on the screen, position it where I want. The image can disappear when I'm not on there, or I can make the image come back. I can click on that to make the image full screen, or I can close that down again. So I've now got my image on there, but here's the thing, I can now give the address to anybody else I want to use the wall, and they will go straight to the wall. They haven't got the admin privileges as me, but they can double tap and they can post whatever they want on there. So this could be absolutely anyone. So I've got a student here, Dave, who is doing some work on X-rays, and he has found a useful website to do with X-rays. So he can click on the little link bit there. He can just paste in a URL I've already got copied, add that, and that is going to straight away add the link on there. If we can see, it's given an image from the website just to indicate it's there, and I'm just going to move that about so I've got it in a nice position on the page. The kids could do this, or you could do this. Another kid's coming in here. Okay, so we got another user, and they are just going to tell me some, they don't want to put a picture or anything, they're just going to tell me some stuff they found out about X-rays. So they're saying X-rays are useful for creating shadow images of the body. So you can see the various different things you can upload onto Padlet, images, links, anything like that you want to get on there. So now, kids could be adding this to the lesson. You could put an image up as a starter they could then use. I can click on the various stuff that's getting uploaded here to see what's there. So I click on my own image, there's my image full screen. I can click on the website that the person's added. That will take me to the website to have a look at, so I can come back out of that again. And as I said, I can move these around, put them wherever I want, organise a wall if it starts to get a little bit cluttered, and my wall is pretty much finished there, and I can add to that during the lesson. But here's what I can do now. I can use this wall in a number of different ways. Okay, so firstly we can see I've got an embed code there. I could copy that into anything. I could email it to someone. I could print out the wall. I can put it into my blog. I can use any sort of social media, Twitter or whatever, to share my wall. But the things I like are these export functions. So if I click on export to PDF there, what is going to come up is this view. So we can see that from my Padlet wall, it's organised all the stuff that's been posted on it against the user. Now obviously that was Richard, that's me in each case there, but you can see it's put all the information into a nice PDF document that I can then print out, and that is going to be really useful for me as a record of the lesson. So that is the way that we can use the Padlet.com website in class and out of class.